This is the easiest way to earn over $1,000 a day using AI and ChatGPT. In today's video, not only am I going to show you how to diversify your income, but I'm going to be giving you a full done-for-you system that includes this checklist right here of over 130 plus AI tools you can get paid to promote. We have pre-written emails so you can go ahead and plug and play into your systems. One of my favorite sections is the done-for-you short-form videos that you can go ahead and download directly, and I would suggest uploading into CapCut so you can put some text-to-speech over these. And then we have the full step-by-step checklist that is going to take you through everything that we're going to be talking about step-by-step in this video, free of charge. So all you need to do to get access is just hit subscribe, drop a comment, share this video, and I will send you everything in today's video. First thing you want to do is just go ahead and go to digitalplaybook.com, put in your information, and you'll get taken to our community. Now there's already 179 people in here. Once we get to 200, I am going to put a paywall on this, probably $20 a month, because the people that are in here, I want to focus on. I want to make sure that they're taking action, and I want to make sure that they start seeing results. So there will be a paywall. Go ahead and join before that happens. Once you get in here, that will give you access to the digital playbook. And first thing you're going to want to do is get this tool called GoHighLevel. It has a social media scheduler. It's where I write my email automations. It allows you to build funnels, websites, and this has a 14-day free trial. Go ahead and sign up for that. If you don't, cancel it. But the reason that I'm choosing this tool is it's going to allow you to import all of my systems into your account, which is something that helps save time and helps get you up and running quicker. So once you download this, sign up for the free trial, you're going to take into a screen that looks like this. The three main areas that I want to talk about are going to be marketing, automations, and sites. First thing I want to talk about is the front end, which is your funnel. Now, once you upload this and import it into your account, you'll have this. All you need to do is just make some changes to it. But why we have this is it's something enticing. Now, grab the digital playbook. One thing too is I allow you guys to use the digital playbook here because it is something that you can use as a free lead magnet to get people into your own email opt-in. Something super simple like this. This is going to be the front end. They'll put in their information, boom, boom, and then they'll get taken to whatever product or tool that you choose to promote. Now, if you don't want to do the digital playbook, I mean, we have, like I said, 130 plus different tools you can promote. I would choose going with one of these top ones, vidIQ, 11 Labs, Spot. Yeah, pick a tool and go from there, or promote the digital playbook. Completely up to you. So now we got the front end figured out, which is the funnel. Now let's get the back end, which is the email automations. So exit out here. We're going to go to automations. Now you have quite a few of different automations to choose from. There's a bunch that are going to be in here. All these aren't going to be in here. We're going to go to, let's just use this one for an example. So whichever one that you want, you have these. Boom. Once a contact tag is created, it's going to get put into this email automation, and then you will be able to start sending out emails. If you want a more in-depth video about how I use my copywriting, things along the lines of that nature, just go ahead and join the digital playbook, put that in the chat, and I will definitely make a video on that. So we have the front end, which is the funnels, the back end, which is our automations. And now one of the most important parts is going to be the social planner. So create your funnel, which I just showed you, set up your different accounts. Obviously, I would assume you have a Gmail if you're on YouTube, but you need a YouTube, you need an Instagram, and you need a Facebook page. I need to change that to make it a personal page and a Facebook page, just because you want to be posting content as much as you can. As far as the content that we're going to be posting, you can use a tool called Replicate, which I tell you how to set up, which allows you to create images that kind of look like yourself. But you guys are wanting to see results quick, which I understand. And that's why I've created all these done for you videos where you can download 4 or 5 of them, put them into CapCut, and then use the prompts that I have down here to start driving traffic to your opt-in page. So let's go to marketing. This is where the social planner is. And as you can see, everything for December is actually scheduled out. I mean, it's the end of December, so obviously, but I've already started uploading some content in January. So that's one of the biggest things that I can not stress is picking a day out of the week and just creating content, and especially the short form content, which is what we can automate. So obviously you're not going to have anything here. What you want to do is you just want to go to right here, or actually I think it's settings. Yeah, you want to go to settings, connect social medias, connect your different social medias. They're going to pop up right here. And then you're just going to hit new post and then start adding post to your media library. So when you hit create post, you're going to pick whichever social media accounts you want. Boom, boom, boom. And then boom. This is going to be where all those videos that you downloaded from the digital playbook need to go. Obviously, you're not going to have anything right here, but you'll just go to upload file. Then that's where, just pick whichever place is where all your videos are. Upload it here, and then you'll hit, let's just go with this video. Type in some type of content. I always use ChatGPT when I'm making my descriptions, super easy, and then change it to reel. Sometimes I do images, which could be feed, and then you'll be able to hit post, schedule out the post, and then boom, you'll be able to schedule out for as much months as you want. Join the digital playbook, ask me questions. That's why I made this group. And then just go through the checklist. You start by, you got to get GoHighLevel so you can import all my systems in there. I want people to start asking me questions about like, oh, my email's not working. How can I set that up? Or how do I create a funnel? I need your help. I'll definitely hop on a video, help you guys with that. One thing that I'm going to start doing too is, as you can see right here, live calls. I'm going to start just boom, going in here live, sharing my screen, and then helping you guys out. Probably won't start doing that till the new year, but I just wanted to bring a heads up on that. But that's going to be it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.